I've also set fire to Roger about 17 times. This is Roger, Auto Alex's BMW E30 Touring. Now if you watch the previous 2 episodes, I actually said that I'd get that rear corner complete, and I've still not completed it yet. You may be wondering, Ryan, what are you playing at? Well, there's been an awful lot to do in that corner, especially the jacking point. But in this episode, I'm going to make sure I get that rear section complete. Whether I pull an all-nighter or not, it's going to be complete, trust me. Now, these are the 2 corners in question, just down here. Now, in the previous 2 episodes, I said I'm going to get them complete, and they're not complete yet. So, in this episode, I'm actually going to get both of these complete. Now, this one here, the jacking point is done, the sill is done. I literally just need to weld this in, grind it down, get it done, get it sorted. This one here, I've tacked this outside section in place, but I need to cut through this and take this back off again, so then I can sort this inner section, and then I can put this back on, weld these 2 together, bada bing, bada boom, done, kind of, ish. And then I can move on to the other side. Right, so I've got all this section done on the outside. Now I need to get onto this inside. So I've actually cut, you may have seen me cut this little section off here. I'm not sure if I should have cut that off or not. I need to go online and just have a look. The other side, it ends there, but I'm not sure if it's just rusted off and ends there, or if it actually does end there. So I'll look into that, but for now, I'm going to start on this inner arch. So I've got this to weld in, a little bit of trimming to do, get it welded in, and that'll be this side. Oh no, actually, I've still got this to put in. Once that's in, that'll be this side complete. And then I've got to go onto that side. Oh yeah, now that's what I'm talking about. Now I've got that bottom section in, put some wax oil all in this cavity here. Might drill some holes a bit later just to get some, different angles, to get some wax in there. But that's all protected, that's all done, sorted, bada bing, bada boom. Now I'm going to go on to this side behind me, which is also going to be a pain because welding inside here, I just couldn't get in and get the welder in there as well to weld it, so it was an absolute pain. Now I've not ground this down majorly, so it's 100% flat because there's no real need to. It's going to be in there, it's going to be covered. Bigger welds, more strength. Now I just need to put that bung in there, and then this is all done. Like I say, get onto that side now. The joys. Right, so I've made a huge mess, and just don't look at this weld that I haven't ground down yet, but it's done. It's done, finally. Done that inside, done this outside, just need to grind this weld down and then it'll be all done. However, it's now 1:20 and this video goes live in 4 hours and 40 minutes and I've not even edited it yet. I've also set fire to Roger about 17 times. Sorry, Roger.